Most people want to save money, but month after month, nothing changes. It's not laziness, and it's not that you don't earn enough. It's because you're fighting against hidden forces that are designed to make saving almost impossible. Today, we're breaking down the real reasons you're not saving money and how to fix them fast. Number 1 reason, you don't track your spending. Most people think they know where their money goes, but in reality they don't. The average person underestimates their monthly spending by 40%. Not tracking equals no awareness. No awareness equals no control. The solution to this is tracking your spending for at least 7 days. Use your banking app or simple notes of all your spending to gather an idea of your weekly spending. Awareness alone can help cut out $100 $200 per month. Second reason, lifestyle creep or lifestyle inflation. Every time your income goes up or you get a little extra money, you spend more. This is why paycheck to paycheck living continues even with raises. The solution: freeze lifestyle spending for 90 days, put all raises and bonuses into a savings account, not a day-to-day account. Third reason, impulse buying and emotional spending. You don't have a spending problem, you have a dopamine problem. Online shopping triggers the same brain chemicals as gambling, and this is why it becomes so addicting. The solution: use the 24-hour rule for online purchases. If you still want it in 24 hours as bad as you did at the time you saw it, then buy it, but oftentimes the desire fades. Remove autofill of your card details from sites you often purchase from. The act of entering your card information often changes people's mind. And avoid shopping when you're stressed. Fourth reason, you are not automating your savings. If savings requires willpower, it will eventually fail. Systems beat motivation. Fully automating your savings takes all the thinking and emotion out of it. The solution: fully automate your savings to take money every payday and put it right into your savings. Start small and gradually add more each time. Fifth reason, you don't have a clear goal in mind. You can't save money without a target. Just saying save more doesn't work. Saying I am going to save $1,000 in 60 days does. The solution: create a name for your goal, for example the 60-day saving challenge. Set a timeline and track your progress weekly. Sixth reason, you're overpaying without realizing it. This includes subscriptions, delivery services, phone bills, banking fees. The solution: audit your expenses, look at all your subscriptions and extra fees and see where you might be able to cut 1 or 2 things. Also use time to shop around with different companies to see where you can find a better deal. If saving money has always felt impossible, this is your reset point. Fix these hidden habits and you will save money faster than you think. Subscribe for more practical money tips.